Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be going through question 38 of the 50 most likely Social Security disability hearing questions for a child-based claim. Some of these are more specific to particular impairments. I try to do more generalized ones, but this one is more specific. 38 out of 50. Does the child have a history of sexual or physical abuse? Does the child have a history of sexual or physical abuse? A lot of parents will not be open about this with the judge. The reason they're not open with this to the judge is because they're worried about what it could do to, make them look like bad parents, make, them look like bad parents even if they allowed to be, in a babysitting situation with somebody that was abusive toward the child, even if it's a family member that was babysitting the kid. What's important, though, is that you guys actually talk about it. And here's why. At the end of the day, a lot of these children will go through all this, adjudication process, and the truth never actually fully comes out. And as a result of that, it probably did not come out to the doctors because the judges will read the doctor's notes and diagnostic impressions. So as a result of that, the problem we end up with is that we're taking this child before a judge. Child has all these symptoms and problems, PTSD, but we don't know what it stems from. And the reality is we know what it stems from. We just know the parents aren't saying what's actually going on. So my suggestion to you is to figure out the best way that you can be the most honest, because it'll help the child, and the child is going to need that help, because if sexual abuse or physical abuse happened to that child at a young age, for the rest of their life they're going to carry that with them. All right, my name is Attorney Walter Knott, Disability Resolution PA. 8 to 10 p.m. I go live on Thursday Eastern Standard Time on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and leave 5-star reviews for the channel. Thanks so much. Bye bye.